Hi, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Studio. It feels really nice to spend this quiet time with you today.
Christmas is close now, and this season often brings emotional moments. Not loud ones, but small feelings that sit quietly in the heart.
Sometimes the lights, the music, or the end of the year make emotions rise a little more than usual. Warm memories, soft hopes, a little tiredness, a little closeness, all mixed together.
So, today, let's slow down and explore gentle Christmas emotions many people feel but rarely talk about.
When you're ready, let's step into the first moment together. Imagine a December morning that feels different from other days. The air is cool, the street is calm, and the world around you moves a little slower. You sit by a window or walk to work, and there is a soft feeling inside your chest, a feeling you cannot fully explain, but you know it is warm.
December can do that. It can make even a normal morning feel calm and emotional. Maybe it's the lights outside, or the cooler air, or the thought that the year is coming to an end. You take a breath, and for a moment, you feel peaceful in a very natural way.
If someone later asks how your morning was, you do not need big words. You can say, "It was quiet, and I think I needed that." This line is simple, but it carries emotion without sounding heavy.
Yes, and you can also speak to yourself quietly. Sometimes I think I want more mornings like this. It helps you notice the calm and enjoy it a little more.
December mornings are emotional in a soft way. They are not dramatic. They are gentle, and they remind you that even small moments can bring comfort at the end of a long year.
Another emotional moment in December is the feeling of missing home. Not in a sad, painful way, but in a warm, quiet way. It often happens suddenly. You see a decoration in a window or hear a familiar Christmas song, and it brings back a memory from years ago.
It might remind you of your old kitchen, your childhood room, or someone who is not near you now. You are not crying, you are not upset, but your heart feels a little fuller and a little heavier at the same time.
When this feeling appears, you can express it with a gentle line like, "I'm thinking about home today." This sentence is honest and warm, and it does not invite a difficult conversation.
Or you can say, "This memory feels close today." It protects your privacy while still sharing your feeling if someone asks how you are.
Missing home in December is something almost everyone understands. Home feels farther in some ways and closer in other ways. This emotion is soft, human, and completely natural.
In December, small kindness from strangers or coworkers can feel much stronger than usual. Someone lets you go first in line, someone gives you a warm smile, or someone helps you without saying anything. These tiny actions can touch your heart in a gentle and surprising way.
Yes, sometimes one small moment stays with you for the whole day. You think about it while you walk, while you work, or while you rest at night. It reminds you that people can still be soft and caring even in a busy season.
If someone asks why your day felt good, you can say, "I saw something kind today." It's simple, clear, and full of quiet emotion.
Yes, and you can also speak to yourself quietly. Sometimes I think, "I'm happy I noticed that." It keeps the warmth with you and makes the day feel easier.
Kindness appears in small shapes during December: a holded door, a soft smile, a helpful hand. These little gestures can warm your heart more than you expect.
December can be beautiful, but it can also feel heavy. There are lights, songs, plans, year-end work, messages, memories. Many small things happening at the same time. Sometimes all of this creates a quiet feeling of being overwhelmed.
Yes, even happy things can feel like too much when they come all together. Maybe your schedule is full. Maybe the shops are crowded. Or maybe you just feel tired after a long year.
You do not need big vocabulary to express this. A very natural line is, I'm moving a little slowly today. It tells the truth without sounding dramatic.
Another gentle line is, I'm trying to take things one step at a time. This sentence is soft and gives you space to breathe and reset.
And if you want to express the feeling just to yourself, you might think, I need a calmer pace today. This thought helps your heart relax and allows the day to feel lighter.
Feeling overwhelmed in December does not mean you are weak. It means you are human. Your body and your emotions are asking for a little care. Sometimes a warm memory comes back to you while you're doing something simple, wrapping a small gift, boiling water for tea, or walking through a street with lights. The memory arrives softly, like a warm touch on the heart.
It might be a memory of someone you love, a special day from years ago, or a moment when you felt safe and happy. You were not looking for it, but it appears gently and stays with you for a while.
When this happens, you can express the feeling with a simple line like, "That memory helped me today." It shows quiet appreciation without needing any explanation.
Or you can say, I'm carrying a warm memory with me. This sentence fits perfectly for December feelings. Soft, emotional, but easy to understand.
Warm memories in December are not loud or dramatic. They are small, gentle reminders that your life has had beautiful moments.
And remembering them can make the whole day feel softer.
Sometimes during Christmas season, you might feel a quiet kind of loneliness, not the painful kind, but a gentle emptiness that comes from the year ending and the world slowing down.
Yes, this loneliness is not heavy. It is more like a small space inside your heart that needs softness and care. You may feel it when you see lights outside alone, or when you sit in a quiet room after a long day.
It is completely natural. Many people feel this even when nothing's wrong.
A gentle way to express it is, I think I just need a quiet night. This sentence protects your privacy and gives your emotions room to rest.
Or you can say softly to yourself, I'm taking it slow tonight. This helps you accept the feeling without pushing it away.
Soft loneliness in December is not something to avoid. It is a sign that your heart is asking for calm.
And when you answer that feeling gently, it becomes much easier to carry. December is full of small kindnesses, kindnesses that appear quietly and disappear quickly, but stay in your heart for the whole day. Maybe someone lets you step in front of them, or smiles at you when you both look tired, or helps you pick up something you dropped. Tiny gestures, but strong feelings.
Yes, small kindness often feels bigger in December. The month is busy, people are tired, and everyone is carrying something quietly inside. When a little kindness appears, it can touch the heart in a simple but powerful way.
You might keep thinking about it while you walk home or while you sit on the bus. You might feel your shoulders soften and your breathing slow down. A small moment can make the whole day feel different.
A natural way to express it is, that was kind. It made my day lighter. This sentence is warm, but not too emotional.
Another gentle line is, I'm grateful for small things today. It shows appreciation without making the moment heavy.
You can also speak only to yourself. A quiet thought like, I'm happy I noticed that, keeps the warm feeling close to your heart.
Kindness in December is like a soft light, small, quick, but strong enough to touch your emotions and remind you that people can still be gentle.
Another emotional moment in December is the quiet feeling that you need to slow down. You are not sad, you are not stressed, you are simply full of work, full of plans, full of memories and small thoughts.
December carries many emotions, warm ones, quiet ones, even confusing ones. All of them ask for space. And when the body and heart ask to slow down, it is good to listen.
You may notice it in a simple moment, when you sit on your bed at night, when you stand in the kitchen, or when you walk home after a long day. Your mind says, I need a slower evening.
A natural English line for this feeling is, I'm giving myself a quiet moment. It is gentle and protects your energy.
Or you can say, I'm taking it easy for now. This sentence is soft, easy to use, and perfect for December.
Sometimes the feeling of needing rest comes with a little emotion, not sadness, but a soft tiredness from the year behind you.
You can express that emotion by saying, it's been a full week. I need to rest a little. It lets the other person understand you without needing details.
Rest is not a reward. It is part of taking care of yourself, especially in a month full of small emotions.
Yes, slowing down is one of the most honest emotional moments December gives us.
There is a quiet moment that often appears in December, a moment when you suddenly think of someone far away, a friend, a family member, someone you once saw every day, or someone you now see only in messages. The distance does not change the feeling. Your heart moves toward them in a soft, honest way.
Yes, this moment can appear when you're looking at Christmas lights, or walking home at night, or drinking something warm in a quiet room. You are not sad, you are not lonely, you are simply connected to a memory of someone who still matters to you.
You might feel a little warmth mixed with a little ache. It is a gentle kind of emotion, a reminder that relationships do not disappear just because distance appears.
A natural English sentence for this is, I'm thinking of you a little more today. This line is sincere, but not too heavy.
Another soft line is, I hope your holiday feels calm and warm. It shows care without being too personal.
And if you only want to hold the feeling quietly, you can think, they're far away, but they're close in my heart today. This simple thought is enough to make the moment feel complete.
December brings many emotions, and this one, the feeling of connection across distance, is one of the softest.
At the end of a long December day, you may feel something quiet inside you, a small sense of hope. Not the big, loud kind of hope that needs to be shared with everyone, but the gentle kind that sits softly in your chest.
It often comes after a simple moment, a warm memory, a calm walk, a kind gesture, or a long day finally ending. You sit down, take a slow breath, and realize that your heart feels lighter than it did in the morning.
A natural sentence to express this is, it was a long day, but it feels softer now. This line is true, quiet, and emotional in a gentle way.
Another line is, I'm ready for some calm days. It is simple and fits the feeling of the season well.
Or if you want a very soft expression, you can say, I feel a little lighter tonight. Sometimes a small sentence can hold a big emotion.
December gives space for this quiet hope to grow. Even if the year was heavy, even if the days were long, the soft ending of a December night can feel like a gentle reset.
December's hope does not shout, it whispers, and that whisper can be enough.
Thank you for spending this calm time with us today. We're really glad you were here.
This season brings many emotions, warm ones, quiet ones, some easy, some surprising. We hope today's gentle moments helped you understand your feelings and express them in simple English without pressure.
If you enjoy these soft lessons, you're welcome to follow or subscribe so more calm conversations can find you when you need them.
Take good care of yourself, and may your Christmas feel peaceful, slow, and warm to your heart.
We'll see you next time.